I'm replacing the integrated brake controller on my Tundra with the Tekonsha P3. I want the P3 controller to permanently mount in the factory brake controller's location. I have this rectangular opening to work with. My plan is to 3D print a trim plate that will fit in that space. I will also need an outline of my brake controller cut out onto it. I started off designing the trim piece by taking some measurements and drawing it out on paper. I'm roughly following the contours of the brake controller. Taking some measurements where the curves start and end will help duplicate it on paper. When I'm done, I have a sketch that looks like this. I'm using SketchUp to design my 3D object. I basically transfer over the measurements I took and make layout lines. Then it's simply a matter of connecting the dots. I use the arc tool to make the curves. Here I'm creating holes for the bolts that will connect the trim piece to the vehicle trim. And then I'm rounding off the sharp corners. Here I'm using the round corner plugin to help ease the edges. This is what the trim plate looks like after printing. I added some standoffs on the back to lock into the opening. It will help ensure the plate is positioned correctly. As you can see, it came out pretty good. Next, I need to design a bracket on the inside to hold the front trim plate and brake controller. I didn't record myself designing the back plate, but this is what it looks like. It printed out good as well. I'm pretty satisfied with the way it looks so far. These are the mounting hardware I chose, partly because that's all Home Depot had. But it ended up looking good. They give it a nice industrial look. Check out how I install this into the Tundra by clicking on the link in the top right-hand corner of this video. If you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.